y'all, it's Raegan. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that red button down below and subscribe. Join the family. It's currently July 23rd and tomorrow I am leaving for Hawaii with my mom and my younger sister, and I'm really excited. This will be my third time going. This will be my third summer going. It's kind of crazy. It's just kind of like a tradition now. We love Hawaii so much. So of course we're going again, but I haven't packed a single thing and I haven't gotten anything that I need to get for the trip. And so that's what today's video is going to be. It's kind of going to be a day in my life. Pack with me and get ready with me. I'm kind of going shopping in a little while to buy some things. So that I would just take you along with me and we would do this together and get ready for my trip tomorrow. I woke up, I went ahead and got ready, but I'm about to go downstairs and eat some breakfast and of course drink my coffee, and then I'll update y'all after that. Gonna show y'all my outfit really quickly. It is super simple. These are some thrifted denim jeans that I like ripped up last year, and I'm actually ripping up some more jeans today and I'm going to be filming a video about it. Then I'm wearing a white bodysuit and then white Converse, and then the most adorable little pearl hoops. Let's see if they'll focus. That I got from Trium Jewelry on Etsy. But yes, this is my outfit. That's like my go-to. I always throw on these shorts whenever I just need something to wear that isn't Nike shorts. Y'all, I have been working on this puzzle for 2 weeks now. I absolutely love jigsaw puzzles, but this one is so hard. This is the Tower Bridge in London, which I've been to a few times. It is beautiful, but I can't get all of this blue. I can't figure out what blue goes where, and it's driving me crazy. So I do this for 30 minutes every morning. So I think I'm going to sit down and make a little list of what I want to pick up at the store, just so I don't go and buy a bunch of random things. Kind of know what I need and what I've got. So I got this super cute notebook the other day, over the weekend at Marshall's, and it is so cute. It's got little lemons on it. But I'm about to make a list. I usually like to make lists before I travel and pack, because it just helps clear my mind, and then I can make sure I don't forget anything. Also, a lot of you may not know, but I am getting a doggy as soon as I get home from Hawaii. So this is all of her stuff. Got it all ready for her because I become a mom as soon as I get home. But look how cute her stuff is. Like her cute little doggy bed that's going to match my apartment in New York so well. Got her toys. Fancy Chi doggy shampoo and conditioner. Some harnesses and hairbrushes and toothbrush and toothpaste up there, doggy pads, her carrier, because she is going to be flying with me to New York, so that is allowed on airlines, so I got that. Then her crate, because I am going to crate train her. Then her doggy bowls. So a lot of this came from Petco, PetSmart, and TJ Maxx. So I have no vehicle to drive right now because everyone is gone and has taken all of the cars. So I think I'm going to go ahead and start packing, or at least try to get what I want laid out and maybe not packed in my suitcase yet. I will be in Hawaii for exactly 7 days, and it's mainly just a relaxing trip. We're just gonna lay on the beach pretty much every single day. My younger sister is touring the University of Hawaii while we're there, and then she's also getting some senior pictures done because she will be a senior this year in high school. And so we have a few things planned, but not really. It's mainly going to be relaxing, so I'm going to bring a lot of bathing suits, a lot of beachy clothes, and then of course we're going to take some cute photo shoots. So I got to have some outfits for that. I need sunglasses, I need my GoPro, all my cameras, all my camera gear, my laptop of course, some good books to read, a beach bag, a towel, some cover-ups, I need a lot. But the thing is, we're only bringing a carry-on and a personal item each. I'll show y'all what they look like in a little while, but they're not big at all. I have a lot of stuff I want to bring and a tiny bit of space to work with. But I backpacked in Europe for 2 months, so I should be able to fit everything I need in a carry-on suitcase and a personal item. But yeah, I'm about to time lapse y'all, and I'm just gonna try to get some stuff done. So this is my carry-on. Just like a normal size carry-on, you know, nothing's fancy. And then I think this is going to be my personal item. It's really cute, almost like a little duffel bag. It will fit a lot, but I can't shove it full because then the airline might be like, ma'am, that's not a personal item size, that's a carry-on size. So I have to be careful with what I put in that. I just had gum in my mouth the whole time I was talking to y'all, and I'm sorry because I know that's really annoying. But I'm about to start laying some stuff out on my bed and trying to get organized. So this is like my rough draft of outfits so far. I have 3 dresses. These are 2 short ones. This is a longer flowy maxi one. Then this is a really cute maxi skirt. And then 2 tops, this white tank and then this orange crochet tank. And then this is a really cute like summer sweater. It's kind of cropped. Super, super cute. I'm bringing that. Then a few bathing suits. This is my bathing suit from Albion Fit. This one is from Aerie. This one is from Aerie, and then these bottoms are from Aerie, and then this top is a Billabong, and it's reversible, which I love. It can be either side. Then for shoes, I'm bringing my tennis shoes because I think we might do some hiking or something, and then these brown sandals, and then these gold ones because brown won't go with black, and I think gold will go better with these 2. And then my black Birkenstocks because those are like my throw-on shoes. And that's everything I got so far. Of course, that's not going to be everything, but it's looking pretty good. I actually might try on this outfit with this top because I don't know if it's going to go together. I used to have a pink top like this, but I didn't bring it home from New York, and so I'm going to try this on and see if I even like it together. If not, I'm not going to bring the skirt. Okay, this is a hard no. Picked out the sunglasses that I'm gonna bring. These super cute pink lens round Ray-Bans. Just some classic aviators, and then these Quay black ombre sunglasses. I'm also bringing these denim shorts, but I actually plan on ripping these up and kind of distressing them in a little while. And so this is what they look like now, but they're gonna look different later. Still waiting for people to get home so I can go shopping. So I think while I'm waiting, I'm going to eat some lunch. So I ended up heating up some leftover lasagna, and if I say so myself, it looks pretty delicious. So I'm at Walmart, about to go inside and get some toiletry things and probably some snacks for the airplane tomorrow. This is a 10-hour flight, and that's really, really long. I don't think I'm gonna film much inside just because there'll probably be people I know and that I really don't want to vlog in front of, so I'll see y'all when I get out. Hey y'all, so it's like 3 hours later. Ended up taking a nap. Don't recommend because I have a lot of things to do and that kind of messed me up. But I'm going to show y'all what I got from Walmart because I never showed y'all. Got some really big cotton rounds, a nail polish because I want to paint my nails, shampoo, conditioner, deodorant, and baby oil because I thought this might be good for tanning because we can't bring tanning oil because it's too big to fit the carry-on, makeup wipes, body lotion, ZzzQuil, of course, for the plane, some Tamps, body wash, Q-tips, toothpaste, hairspray, tinted lip balm, and then I'm going to put some of my toner in here. Then I also bought some snacks for the plane, like a variety pack of Cheez-Its, and then my favorite Airhead Extreme candies. But I still have to pack all of this, so that's what we're going to do now. all packed up and ready to go. So I seriously have to be up in like 3 hours, but I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog. And I hope y'all enjoyed. I know this one was just kind of like all over the place. My camera ended up dying a little while ago, so I don't know, it's just been a lot, but I thought it was fun just having y'all along while I got ready today. I'm so excited for tomorrow. I start a new vlog tomorrow because I am going to be vlogging Hawaii, of course, but it may be a while until I talk to y'all again. So I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.